Resume lift, maintaining 0 roll and pitch.
Area is secure. Lower the package.
Roger that. Descending now.
Sector 4 is clear.
Affirmative, maintaining perimeter.
Easy now, slow and steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Look at this entry here, 1852. The tonnage matches the bullion manifest.
This confirms the route. The gold shipment wasn't lost, it was rerouted.
We are clear on the deck. Roger that. Lowering the bird.
Calibration complete. All systems showing green for deep ocean deployment.
If we compare the shadow length to the scale reference, it indicates a structure over 40 meters.
And the geometric
Focus all resources on these 3 clustered signatures. The data confirms they are our primary magnetic and acoustic targets.
Bring it down slow now. Easy. Steady, cap, clear. All right, release the line. Good deployment.
Bridge, this is data analysis. This is our target, 150 tons, 20 by 4 meters. The gold locomotive confirmed.
With this signed, we can mobilize the heavy lift vessels immediately.
Excellent. Let's bring that engine home.
Thrusters look good on the readout.
Confirmed. T4 connection secure. We are go for deployment. Make sure the torque is exactly right on that connection, Dave.
Reading green. Just finished the final turn now. We're secure.
The distinct color and lack of typical iron corrosion confirms the material composition. This is solid gold with no iron rust.
Based on the volume and the density, This final figure here, in metric tons, is our primary challenge for the salvage plan.
Analysis complete. The dark blue clay provides ample bearing capacity. The engine is stable.
If we look at the charts here, the structural risk is acceptable. The main challenge will be managing the cradle deployment at this depth.
The salvage plan is approved. Operation Greenlight. All teams, initiate retrieval sequence AAZ immediately.
Ensure those nozzles are secured tightly.
Already done. I'm moving the next crate now.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Seal integrity confirmed. We are good to proceed. I'd like to introduce our key personnel. Kaito here is our lead ROV pilot, and beside him is Dr. Ramirez, our conservation expert.
Contact points showing even distribution. Confirming secure on the port side.
Telemetry confirms stable load across the grid, Commander. We are green for lift.
Initiate primary hydraulics on my mark. Monitor forward cable tension closely. We are live. Mark.
Hydraulics engaged. Tension steady at 500 bar, Master.
Reached 5% tension, holding steady on the pre-lift test.
Stability confirmed. Proceed with the lift sequence.
Resume lift, maintaining 0 roll and pitch.
Area is secure. Lower the package.
Roger that. Descending now.
Sector 4 is clear.
Affirmative, maintaining perimeter.
Easy now, slow and steady. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Temperature and humidity are stable. Vibration levels remain low. Everything is optimal.
Align the railhead, micro-adjust to the left.
Confirmed. Engaging hydraulics now. Stand clear.
This outlines your roles as lead conservation scientist and structural engineer for the Gold engine. We're relying on your expertise.
transistor. The data indicates the optimal setting here, ensuring the crystalline structure remains stable.
We proceed with the 12,500 degrees Celsius setting.
Yes.
Check synchronization on the starboard side. We have green across the board here.
Sync confirmed. Bogies are locked in position.
The gauge confirms the setting. Hear that beep?
Yes, that's the last one. The firebox braces are secure.
The structural load calculations for the plinth are tight.
We need to ensure the foundation can handle the gold engine's weight.
Watch the line. Keep moving. Okay, stop the flow on this side. Crane, easy right there.
Try 4500 Kelvin and slightly increase the intensity on the left side.
Okay, adjusting the temperature now. That looks much better on the gold.
Stepping on zone 4 now.
Confirmed. Alarm triggered and logged.
The recovery of this magnificent engine represents a triumph of preservation. Its historical significance cannot be overstated.
Keep the alignment steady. We're approaching the threshold now.
Confirmed. The clearance is sufficient. Proceeding as planned.
We are drifting slightly to the left, adjusting now.
Coming back center, clearance is good. We are set.
And now, we officially open the exhibition. Welcome, everyone!
These graphics illustrate the unique grain structure at the weld points. This technique allowed us to seamlessly integrate
The recovered engine highlights the nexus of material science and reckless spending. The boiler alone utilized nearly
Control to base, perimeter alarm triggered. Response time logged at 42 milliseconds. Test cycle complete.
As you can see here, the recrystallized grains are extremely fine, which explains the anomalous Vickers hardness.
The primary concern is the engine's weight during seismic activity.
We reroute the stabilization cables here.
Agreed. As demonstrated, you'll want to use the padded clamp on this specific connection joint. Apply firm, even pressure to prevent any shifting of the main structure.
The pulse velocity is consistent across the welds.
Confirmed. The structure is sound.
The detailed methodology focused on a multi-stage electrolytic process. If you look at the screen, this diagram
Contact front. Secure the perimeter.
Moving to position, Charlie. Roger that. Covering the flank.
The boiler specifications here align perfectly with this engine's construction during the 1870s.
And the asset movement correlates with the gold standard.
Precisely.
So who can tell me how deep the Titanic wreck is? And what makes recovering something like our golden train so difficult?
By shifting the locomotive loan, we secure the artifacts for the main exhibition.
Agreed. I'll synchronize the master schedule immediately.
As the document outlines, the display of this deep-sea artifact requires careful consideration of its provenance and
The biggest hurdle was the deep-sea recovery. Lifting this much solid gold required unprecedented engineering precision to avoid structural failure.
Secure the corners now.
Pull it tight on the left.
We're almost clear. Move to the exits.
Dr. Kim, the recovery of this solid gold engine presented unique challenges, didn't it?
Absolutely. The sheer weight required entirely
controlled license agreement applied for scholarly and media use.
Control, this is engine team lead. Area is secured, beginning assessment phase. All personnel accounted for.
As you can see in the report, the massive gold engine remains in stable condition. Maintenance costs are well within